Yep. Good morning. Yeah, this is gonna be fun, honestly, because this is gonna be something unboxing time. Yeah, we're gonna be unboxing. So we only have a few seconds, and then we're gonna do the actual unboxing. So I hope you guys have enjoy what you're gonna be seeing, everyone. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done this, and finally something that's not Minecraft. Dear Neptune. Yeah, you guys are gonna see my messy table. This is what happens when I work in the office. Yippee! Yeah, I know, right? Yes, I know. I'm as excited as you guys are. So trust me, this is gonna be fun. Yeah. Okay. You guys can hear me from here because I have removed noise reduction. So now we're gonna start unboxing. I'm sure some of you guys wanna see. So yes, sorry it took me some time. I wasn't able to set up because I was eating. I came home a bit late. So now we are here. So let's get it on, shall we? So hello everyone. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. I'm your little bear adventure VTuber Doppel Griz, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing. I am here for the Kibi. Yes. Yeah, hello Sari. Yeah. So for those who don't know, yes, I am now I'm gonna be doing my unboxing. It's been like a long time since I've done one. Well, then again, it wasn't long time. I was doing the Boothill power bank. So now we're gonna make it worth it since it's also another Boothill merchandise, and it's official, by the way. And it is the Honkai Star Rail Boothill Fudging Mechanical Keyboard. Yep, that's right, the official keyboard. Now I wanna do a shout out to Sari. Yeah, Sari is one of my awesome friends, and also because I'm one of the members of V Hall and she's also on V Hall. Yes. Shout out to Sari for helping me order this. Yeah. I was very thankful. Yeah. We don't talk about how much it costs, but what matters is it's Boothill. And so finally I get to use a keyboard that's very different from any other keyboards. So yeah. So what are you gonna be expecting? I'm gonna be showcasing the keyboard. Along the way, I'll be explaining each detail so that everyone knows what it is, what parts are these, and trust me, when I said check parts, I wanna see them all. Do take note that this is my first time doing unboxing of peripheral, so this is a new. Well, not really first time because I did an unboxing of the Boothill power bank. So now we're gonna be doing it. So to take note of this is called the Honkai Star Rail Boothill Fudging Mechanical Keyboard. Now, in the description, it says here that it's. Give me a second. It says here it is Galaxy Ranger Boothill's Fudgin Mechanical Keyboard. Yes, that's the description. So yeah, let's get it started now. I'm sure everyone misses one of the things that are in my table. Yeah, when I said I am messy, I am messy. As I said, I just came home very late and oh, you guys get to see my hand already. Wow, that was fast. Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah. So yeah, it's my hands. It's a bit farther than how you guys get to see it. Now, what makes this different, however, is that the box is really big. It's bigger than the booster boxes I usually open. So right now, not sponsored. This is not sponsored. So we are going to be doing some unboxing. Now, whatever stuff you are seeing right now, please ignore. Yes, I have the board. Yes, this is a Shikishi board when I got the signature of Mark Ishii, the voice actor of Chrono Shindo back in the days. Yeah, this is what I got. Yeah. I had to cover my IRL name no matter what. So I did join the like for fun facts. Yes, this is not mine. By the way, it's my little brother's because my little brother did participate in the 2018. I didn't, but I did participate in the Bush Road World Championship 2016 because and then also when I heard about Mark Ishii being one of the voice actors coming as a guest, special guest, I had to. So until this day, this is gonna be a big remembrance. Like you can see it dated. Like it was around October 15, 2026. 2016. So yeah, good combo with this one. Now, yeah, that's right. As you guys already noticed, yes, my hand is here and the ring. Well, for those who went to the who already seen the Valentine's event and was wondering what this ring is for, well, yeah, you guys know now. Yeah. So let me just move a bit of my stuff. That way I can move my iPhone so that I can have proper like expression because my expression might differ because the angle is a bit different because I had to make sure the lighting up here doesn't interfere with what we're gonna see because it's Boothill's Fudgin keyboard. So let's begin. Okay, this is big. Now, when I said Boothill's keyboard is big, it's really big. Not that it's heavy, it's big. So this is it's big. Yes. See? Now I need to fix the angle at this point. So give me a second. I'll just increase the height. Yeah, you guys might be able to see me wear shorts, but I don't give a damn. It's hot. Yeah. So as you guys notice, it's really big. Yes. Ugh. Ignore whatever. Yeah, I'm wearing shorts. Okay, listen. Yeah. So here it's this box. It's so big. I know. Now, yeah, I can't angle it too far because it's gonna break no matter what. So this is it. It's really big. Now, if you guys are wondering how big is this, well, let me see if I have my. Give me a second. Let me find my one of my favorite tools to use. Tape measure. Yeah, tape measure always saves me time to think of the size of the box. So the size of this box is around almost 18-inch. So that's how big this is. So it's just the box, by the way. But what's fun about this box is that it is since it's from MiHoYo or HoYoverse, you get to see yes, there's the logo of MiHoYo. It's very hard to angle it. Trust me, there it is. It's by MiHoYo, so this box is also like branded as MiHoYo. And it says Tech Otaku Save the World. So yeah, it's time for us to open the actual box. So right inside, oh yes, it is bubble wrap. Yes, you guys get to see the detail of Boothill already. And you guys might not be able to see my expression properly. But yeah, this is it. Yeah, you see it? Yeah, it's so big. And yes, this is my my Galaxy Ranger Daddy. Okay, yay. Here it is. So obviously it's so big. I have to put it somewhere. So give me a second. I have dignity. So we're gonna remove it from the box. So at least you guys get to see it properly. So this is it. This is the Boothill mechanical keyboard, but it's still wrapped in bubble wrap. So please do keep that in mind. Okay, now we just need to look for where the tape is. I don't want to break the box. For those who don't know, in the future that I want to resell this or like resell it as a second hand, I would rather like make sure that the box is intact properly. Okay, you know what? This is so hard. I have scissors. Use responsibly. Oh, okay, so there is another tape downstairs. Okay, don't worry guys. You guys can't see the taping. But you guys pay no attention to that because what we're after is the actual Boothill stuff. So yeah, I'm making sure that everything is in order because it would be pretty bad if after opening this we can't test the keyboard. Right? That's the least of my worries. So what will happen to your other keyboard then? Well, not much will change. Okay, give me a second. Like even I'll probably once I test the keyboard and it's so worth it, I'll probably sell my current keyboard since it doesn't really make sense if I have an extra keyboard, not unless it's for emergencies and others, right? That's fine. Okay, so we're opening now. We're now removing the skin. There it is. There it is. Oh, oh, the details. Oh. Okay, it's still covered in plastic, that's for sure. But, oh my gosh. Okay, this bad boy looks... The box looks so badass. Wow. Okay. Now this is a box. So this is Boothill's mechanical keyboard. So you guys can see the front part right here. So some of them are embossed when it comes to details. So you can see this is not listening from the light, but this is... Wow. And then of course, we get to see the backside as usual. But the backside is not that much. But still, it has the sticker of MiHoYo. So this is real. My mama artist will be shocked. Oh, that's nice. Oh, mama artist. Ooh, I'm learning something from you, Momo. Don't spoil me. Okay, so there it is. This is the Boothill keyboard. Now, it might look small for in my screen, on you guys looking at my POV, but it looks big for me, okay? Like, this is my hand right here, okay? Now, it's time. It's time. Time to test the keyboard. So, let's go. I'm so excited. Gentle. There we go. And then after testing it out, it's time. Let's see. Okay. Have to be careful because this is something. I have to be careful because I don't want to break the box. Number one thing, as someone who unboxes things, you don't want to really break the box if it's like a gadget and other things. It's not like the booster boxes of cards. Okay, here we go. Okay, not bad. Okay. The moment of truth, guys. So now we're opening. This is what I think it is. Okay, the box style is not what I expected, but okay. Let's start. Oh. Oh, okay. So this is how it's opened. Okay, that's interesting. Give me a second. Sorry. Excuse me. So we got the Boothill. We got this Boothill manual. I guess this is a manual. No, it's a warranty card. But however, warranty cards only work if you're in the country. But since this is in China, so of course, yeah, it doesn't really work. So return service is within 7 days from the date of sale of product. Within 15 days from the date of product. 1 day within 12 months from the date of sale from failure consumers. Yeah. Yeah. And then there is this one. So this is, I believe, this is the instruction manual. Thank you. Thank you for blessing me. So yeah, there is this one. So it mentions about the Windows, the Mac. I guess it talks about like the specs and other details. Oh, there is this one. There's English. Okay. Well, at least it's help. Okay. Tips. By pressing button on the back of the keyboard to switch quickly between 4G Bluetooth wired mode. Nice. Charging mode. When the USB is plugged, it means that it's charging. Ding ding lights showing red will be off. Or number 2. Okay, nice. So there is that one. So now the moment of truth, guys. The problem is, I feel like baliktad eh. I feel like I made a mistake and it's not like this. So give me a second, guys. I feel like I did it in reverse. So because the manual is on the back side, so I feel like I made a mistake there. Yeah, I thought so. This is the right way to open. My bad, guys. not an unboxing. No, I made it. I made a mistake. It is the other side. I am so sorry. So this is how you open it. Okay, I'm sorry. It's because okay, first of all, the hole is there in front of me. So I was expecting that I have to open from that side. Do forgive me, guys. Okay, listen. It's been a while since I've done unboxing. Okay. Okay. So now, moment we are waiting for part 2. Okay, here we are. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it has the mihoyo something. Oh, okay. Okay. There we go. It's going. Stop. Stay there. Okay. So we got. Here's the keyboard. Oh my gosh. Okay. So apparently they have a dust cover. Yeah. I believe this is the dust cover. Wow, it is a dust cover. So it's a dust cover for keyboards. And it has the writing of MiHoYo. Nice. So if I'm done working on things, I can just cover the keyboard. And now the moment we've been waiting for. Le keyboard. Le keyboard. Okay. Let me first check other things. Are there other things? So this is the keyboard. So, oh, there's something here. Oh, could it be? Oh, it's the other keycaps. So the other keycaps are right here. I'll show later. And then let's see what other things. So we got the wire. Yeah, I thought so. So it's the wire for the keyboard if you want, like, if you don't want to be wired and other things. And then what's this other thing? Because apparently there's something glowing on this side. This is for the keycap if you want to remove the keycap. Nice. Yep. Okay, so there are accessories right here. So the moment we've been waiting for, I'll close this box so that I can put the others, so I can do the rest up on the upper side. There we go. Let's close this for now. So now we can check the keyboard. So here it is. Let's check. Bask in its glory. Oh. Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm clapping. I'm so excited. Oh, it's heavy duty. Oh. Oh my holy crap. Oh, this one is even better than my keyboard. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow. The details are uncanny. Like even the transparency. And it's matte. Oh my gosh. It's math. Oh my gosh, let me move the camera so that you guys can see. Oh my gosh, you might be able to see my legs. So no. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So this is the keyboard. Now, it's so transparent too. Oh, it's the red one. So it's not the Sakura. I didn't get the Sakura, so it is the red one. So this is linear. Now, time for the ASMR, guys. Oops! Sorry! Sorry, my bad. Okay. Listen. Oh, it's so smooth. It's linear but so smooth. Okay, let me make it closer to the mic so I can hear it. Oh, that's crispy. It's a crispier than my normal keyboard. Wow. Now, of course, we wanna see So we got to see the details. So we got the escape button right here. So it's like the logo of the Ranger. And then of course the tab, the caps lock, the shift. The shift is so nice. The alt, of course the window button. And then the space bar. That's a different face, Boothill. Dang. So look at the face of Boothill. Wow. You don't see him smiling. That's different. We got the backspace, and then we have the plus sign. Oh wait, no. This is the minus, and then the plus and equal. The backspace. Oh my gosh. And then this is the the other one. Dang, no chancla near so munching time. I will send. You want me to send you to Jesus? I mean, I don't mind. So yeah, page down. Oh my gosh. Even this part has Galaxy Ranger written on it. And then there's Num's lock, and then I guess this is the charging scroll lock. So there is a scroll lock. Okay, this is my first time seeing that there's a thing called scroll lock. Now, for the backside, however, oh, wow. Okay, this is the best I've seen. So there is for Windows and there's for Mac. There is for wired and there is the not so wired. Now for the power button, however, let's see. Oh, there's a dongle right here. So there's the dongle. So in case you want to do like a 2.4G, then this is the best one. The wired one is right here. It's right in the middle. Like you can see the type C right here. Let me just move it. So it's this one. You better don't get dirty on that keyboard. Listen, I am a sophisticated person. I will never do anything to my peripherals. It's so hard to clean if you make a messy thing in the peripherals. Trust me. Now, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Now, let's see how the light goes first. So I remembered, since it's wired, what if we try something like... Oh! Let me... Okay. Let me close the lights. Let me close the lights, guys. Let me close the lights. Let me close the lights, guys. Oh, it looks so cool. You know what? I will not change its color because apparently it's RGB. You can like change the color if you how much you want, but it makes sense that it's red because it's Boothill's keyboard. I mean, it's red. It makes sense. Keep the red. Yep, of course I will keep the red. It's Boothill. I would want to make it rainbow, but this is Boothill's keyboard. I'd rather stick it with red. Oh, you get to hear it. Oh. I am fully aroused. If this is what Boothill keyboard feels like, I don't mind at all. Okay, now you can change the setting so it's on the back side. Now my mama artist. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Momo's mama artist. So yeah, that is the keyboard. However, it's not yet done. It's because we have the other keycaps. So let's start with the keycaps. Now, the one thing that I might change here is that I might change the letters because I have a special keycap that I bought from the US. So there might be some tweaks. Might not know. So let's see. What are the keycaps that are in here? Let's see. We have this one. I believe we got this one. This is Boothill's body, I believe. Yeah, this is Boothill's body. Yep. And the other one is the boot bird. Yeah, we got the boot bird. Tweet, motherfucking. And then we got the Boothill's chibi, of course, because you guys know that Boothill is a menace. And then lastly, the cat, the boot cat. Yeah, they have the boot cat too from their official merch. Do take note. This is official keycaps. Okay, It comes along with the Boothill box, which I'm really, really happy. Yeah, I'm really, really happy for this. So, yeah. So this is red switches. I thought it was the Sakura one. But then again, if I choose the pink one, it will look unusually different. It will sound clicky, but this is fine enough because this sounds so different compared to me in my other keyboard, which is, yeah, this one sounds so smooth. Oh, yeah, it sounds even smooth. Okay, let me just check real quick. Okay, so we can change this. This is, I believe, it's the tab. Well, I don't know if it's the tab or what, but all I know is this is the caps lock. Yeah, this is the tab. This is the shift. So we're gonna switch some of the keycaps. So give me a second, guys. Yes. So this one is also free, included in this package. So I'm no expert in using these things, okay? So all I know is this one, you just need to put it inside like this, I think. Listen, I am no expert on these things, so... And then you just need to go and like... Tuk! Tuk, please! Tuk! Okay, it's removing itself. It's taking time, guys. Oh! It... Oh. Oh, okay. My bad. The switch should be fine. My bad. My hands is too strong. So we just need to put it right here, if I remember. We need to place it right here. I'm no expert in this thing, so it should be fine. Yep, yeah. So let's see. Give me a second, guys, because I am no expert in these things. So I just need to put it right here. So using this is what people use so that to put the switches back. Oh, my bad. Give me a second because I can't see. So this is the switches. So I just need to do this. Not that hard because it's the lock after all. There we go. Yep, all fixed. So apparently I have to be careful with the these switches. I'll test this out later if the tab works. So you guys can notice that yeah, you can swap them however you want. So I'll have to really be careful in putting all these switches back. So yeah, please handle things safely. Don't be like me. I just went. I have very strong grip. So yeah, my apologies, guys. Now for the details, so that you guys understand. So this is a 97 key tri-mode wireless mechanical keyboard. By what do you mean by tri-mode? So for those who don't know, tri-mode means that there are three kinds of mode. One is for the wired version. You can use the keyboard with wired, or you can do it in Bluetooth, so you can connect it with the tablet or phone, or you can do the 2.4G, wherein it has a dongle wherein you can like connect it to your laptop. So instead of wired, you can do that. However, you have to charge your keyboard. So that's why it's called tri-mode. 97 keys. I don't have to explain by keys because this is one key. So that means it's a total of 97. Now, the material is keyboard is ABS, keycaps is PBT, transparent keyboard is PC. So at least you guys know the material used in here. Now, keycap craft is 5-sided thermal sublimation multicolor silk printing. Now, the feet is a dual stage adjustable. So apparently, by dual stage, it means that there's like two kinds of legging. So here it is. You guys can see this is like one of the footing. So there are two kinds. So it's either you want to flip this feet right here, or you want it in full max, which is the other one right here. So there's different kinds of footing that you have the ability to use from. Yep. So here, the right there, so that you can like raise the keyboard up high. It's almost all keyboards have that feature in case of height. For me, I'd rather that it's like a bit elevated so that my wrist don't hurt much. If it's like plain flat, it's usually hard for the wrist. That's why some people they would rather like have a keyboard wherein you can like raise the height of it. It really helps a lot. And it's a special rubber too, which I'm really thankful so that it doesn't move a lot. So when I keyboard, it doesn't move much. See? Now, other than that, let's see. The backlight is 16 million color RGB adjustable. So that means you can like this one. You can actually like turn it into rainbow colored like some of my keyboards. So let me move this. I don't care if you guys get to see my leg and such. So yeah, ignore that and ignore the keyboard of Ito. So ignore that Booba mousepad. So here you can see that this is my keyboard right here. So it's rainbow colored, right? See, it's very rainbowy. So this is what they meant is RGB. So that means I can change the color of my keyboard however I want. Got it? Now, let's see. I'll just move this right here. So that's what the 16 RGB what it means for the 16 RGB. Now, okay, let me fix it. There we go. So that I don't have to worry about the angles and everything. Don't move la. There we go. So, give me a second. I'm just fixing the angle so that it's properly done. So, 16 million colors. Features, it's a full key anti-ghosted support. Switch options is red switch or frost sakura. So, I was able to remove one of the switch and apparently it is a red switch. I'll explain further what the difference between the red switch and the frost sakura switches. So switch base is FLC-MMK. Connectivity is, yeah, as I said, it's can be Bluetooth, which is 5.0, wireless 2.4G, or Type C, which is wired. System compatibility, as you guys already know, it can be used in Windows and it can be used in Mac and also on Android. Now the package contains the following: a keyboard unit, which is the keyboard you're seeing right now, dust cover, which the one that you guys already seen, the one that is written MiHoYo, so that I can like cover it for dust protection, which is really totally cool. I didn't know that this is what it means. So this is very helpful if I want to make sure there's no dust coming in. Kudos. I was wondering why is there like that. I feel like it has something to do with things. So 2.4G receiver, which is the dongle that you saw, the small one that's on the side. User manual in Chinese, which you guys already seen it, which are the manual and the keycap and switch puller, which is this is the keycap and switch puller, which I accidentally pulled the switch as well. So supplementary keycaps is the ones that you guys see right here on the side, which I am gonna replace some of them. Okay, take two. Let me be careful on pulling the switch. I just need to get. Yeah. And then I just do the pulling on the other side. Yeah, I just need to be careful as to not pull the whole thing. So it's just hard because I don't really do things like this. Because sometimes whenever I pull things, it's always including the switch. I just have very strong grips, so it's really difficult. So I guess the switches are very sensitive, so you really need to be careful. There we go. So this is the caps lock. So give me a second. So the caps lock, we're gonna be switching it with the Bootbird because why not? It's a bit flat. It's a bit bigger, I guess. Or my angle is like not so this big. Well, they're exactly the same height. So Bootbird for caps lock. Yeah, I'll be updating the other keycaps soon. So please do look forward to it. And then I'm just gonna switch all of them. But of course I'm gonna take a picture of this in a bit. For sure. I'm gonna take a picture of this in a bit. And then of course we have this one, which is the enter key. I mean, there is the normal Boothill, but this one always jimmies the keyboard. Yeah, yeah, true. I would want Boothill's body. Like I wanna like whenever I touch it, I will be like. But moving on. So of course we got the warranty card as well. So about the key switches. Now, you guys get to hear the difference. So for the red switches which I'm using, its feel is smooth linear motion, light rebound, and crisp keystroke sensation. So that's why it felt like crisp and light rebound. The other one, which is the Frost Sakura switch, it is responsive rebound, distinct tactile bump. So it is like Toki, how people say it. So its tact type is tactile. So what I got was a linear. So the team keyboard made of high purity BPT material, wear resistant, non-greasy, smooth texture. So it's like matte. Extensive use of the five-sided thermal sublimation to replicate character color scheme, which I'm just looking at it. Yes, it does. Now, other things to take note of this is that there is the tab, which is the one you guys see. The enter button is the Boothill that you see and this other Boothill. And then the shift is the boot bird, which I already swapped it. With the wait. It's for the wait what? Left shift. Is it for the left shift? Oh shit. Really? Was it not for the tab? Wait. Oh shit. Wait. Did I make a mistake there? Was it really for the shift? Wait, are you serious? Is it for the shift? It's not for the caps lock? Okay. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Okay, swapping. I made a mistake. This is not for this. This is not for the caps lock. This is apparently for the see, see, I keep forgetting. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Bootbird. I made a mistake. So it's for the shift. Okay, my bad. Listen, they look exactly the same. But yeah, so the Bootbird is for the shift. For the left shift apparently. So that was a mistake. I didn't know it was that side. Listen. They look identical. What can I say? There we go. So it is the left shift. Oh, it has the shift word. Oh my gosh. Why did I not notice that? Okay, time to return the caps lock because I made a pretty funny mistake. Sorry. Okay. We're gonna do the shift for right here. It's not apparently the enter button I can switch it. So we're swapping as much as possible because at least I'm gonna be using this keyboard moving forward. However, some keycaps I'll probably replace them just because of preference. And then I already increased the stats for there. And then here we just need to wiggle and make sure that I don't affect the switches. They're very sensitive. So now I removed it. So I remove the switch and now I'm gonna switch it with the Bootbird. So I guess some people didn't like too much details on some buttons, but for me, I'd rather there's more designs so that it makes more sense, right? I like the transparency of this with the lighting too. This is so cool. And of course, this part right here. Yeah, I know it's the Galaxy Ranger, but then there's this. Of course, obviously, this is Boothill's body. Like, if you're gonna tell me this is not Boothill's body, I swear to God. Of course, I would want to touch his body. Like, kudos to Mihoyo for finally well, not really Mihoyo, Honkai Star Rail for actually making a keycap for us. Finally. Okay, now we're gonna put the body right here. Okay, I just need to check properly on how this would work. Okay, so this is the X. This is also the X. So I just need to press on all of them. Give me a second. I want to see the height just to see if it's correct. Feels like it's different. Or maybe it's just me. Okay, give me a second, guys. Let me see. Oh, it's flatter. Okay. At least I'm understanding it. That's why it felt flat. So the plus button. Ah, that's true. This is the enter button, huh? Okay, so that's why it felt very different. So apparently, look at this. So this is the plus button for the numlock. And this is the other cap. This is also the plus button. But you can see that it's a this one is a bit long, a bit shorter on this side compared to the other one. Yep, they're the same height, by the way. They're the same height. It just looks like it's not, but it's actually the same. It's just that this is more flatter. This one is like the original. Then again, it's Boothill's body, so I don't give a damn. Yeah, I mean it's the plus button, so it's fine. Listen, it's Boothill. Anything is fine for me. And then last but not the least, Boothill, Chibi Boothill, because apparently this one has no color, but then we already have this one, so it's fine. So now the last one that we're gonna swap is this Boothill keycap, which is not bad. And then we're just gonna wiggle there, and then we just wiggle on the other side as well. That way it's easier to pull it out easy. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And then here, there we go. And then afterwards, we can just pull it up high there. There we go. Let's see if it's like the same flatness. Yes, it's the same flatness. No, it's a bit low on the lower end, but it's still fine. I guess there are some people who prefer like lower side on certain aspects of the key, lower end. So I get it. So here it is. I have now swapped the keycaps of some of the keys. So yeah, I'm so happy with this. So now I'm just gonna put all of them here in the bag. I'm so happy with this. I am so happy. So overall for the keyboard, this is a 10 out of 10 to me, because let me try to carry my keyboard versus this one. Well, this is a bit lightweight. That's the thing. But then the fact that there's a written Galaxy Ranger is so much better. I would recommend getting this keyboard, because keyboards like these are very rare, because some keyboards don't have much design and you'll have no choice but to like buy yourself some keycap depending on your preference. But this one, my word, is so beautiful. Yeah. So that is it for the unboxing. So overall, I love this. This is 9 out of 10 to me. I guess the only thing that I wish that I noticed was I was able to pull off the switch, the red switch from this one. I guess it's because of force, but then again, I'm very careful. You guys saw that. So yeah, overall, I love this keyboard. I do recommend it. If you guys pre-ordered it, then congratulations. Your money is so worth it. Now for the durability. The durability, I will have to find that out in the next coming days. I'll be using this keyboard. For sure, I'm gonna be using this keyboard. So do look forward to more updates on that. Yep. Do look forward to that. It's gonna be very fun, honestly. So that will be it for today. So I'll be taking a picture of this later just so that we can have a thumbnail for the unboxing. So yeah. I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing. I did because this keyboard is amazing. It's like touching ruby color. Do take note that these ones are matte. The ones that are transparent is like so shiny and smooth. Shiny like glass. They're like jewels whenever I touch it. So yeah, it's gonna be up. Expect a lot of fun stuff coming in. RG's 1010, I agree. And I don't want to change the color. The fact that it's red, it makes so much sense. So yeah, 1010 for me, 1010 across the board. So once again, thank you everyone for coming to my unboxing stream. I enjoy this keyboard so much. And oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. Let me give more details before I end stream. So here's the thing that to take note of. Let's see. Yeah, I forgot to read the description before I'm ending stream. I forgot to read the full description. So it says here the keycap height restriction. So all keycaps use R1 to R4 step ergonomic design to reduce finger movement, which makes sense. No wonder some of them are like flatter. There's a bit shorter in height. Now, connection methods, there are three connections. As I said, it's tri-mode. It supports multiple operating systems. Wireless connectivity is suitable for any scenario and quick switching between devices. So you can like connect it to your. Am I back? Am I back? Can you guys see me again? Can you confirm? Oh, you're back. Yeah, I got disconnected all of a sudden. Okay, welcome back. Hi. Yeah, don't worry, don't worry. That was unexpected. But it's fine, we're back. So let's see. Continuing on, there's like instruction for 2.4G, Bluetooth and wired. More features, 16 million. Yeah, rich lighting effects compatible with various theme keycaps. Lightning customization. So there's like instructions on how I can like switch the light mode and other things. But I'd rather like leave it as is. Because it's nice. Now custom backlight ending. So there's like more instructions on how to do that for the lighting. Now full key hot swappable base supports hot swappable, so you can like I can like switch the keycaps. Convenient for switch replaceables, which is really nice. Compatible with most switch types in the market. Enables creation of personalized gear, which is really cool. So imagine I'm gonna use my unknown keycaps that I got from Royal Cap and then use it here in the Boothill. It would look pretty nice when it's lighting red. Oh my gosh, I can already imagine it. And then let's see. Lastly, there's not much detail. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much for the head, Pat. Thank you, thank you. What's funny to me is that the Boothill Revolver power bank is sold out, so I'm really happy that I still have mine. So yeah, once again, that's it. That's all the instructions there. So again, if you guys wanna pre-order the keyboard or buy the keyboard, I advise getting them now and getting them now before it gets sold out or it will never be sold again. Yeah, because it's rare to have male characters in MiHoYo to have their own peripherals, right? So once again, that is all for today. Thank you everyone for coming to my unboxing stream. I hope you all enjoyed and get to see that one unexpected thing about my legs. Well, it's for you guys. It's not like I did show anything. So thank you so much. Thank you guys as well, Momo Starla. Thank you and thank you every one of you who are lurking. I hope you all enjoyed. Again, I'm not fully tech savvy when it comes to keyboard, but even I know that this is so pretty. Thanks for the legs. Wow, the legs. Only the legs, not me. But yeah, once again, thank you very much. If you wanna like support me or check out what updates I'm gonna be doing, my social medias are on the screen right now. You can see me on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram. For Instagram, it's mostly food. Facebook, and on YouTube for the VODs, and sometimes I post other stuff there. And then on Blue Sky, which I'm also available. Donations you guys can do on my coffee stream elements. There's also on Twitch via bits, gifted subs, and others. But you guys can also support with using the key. You can also send donations through my Gankno account, which is right here. You can see the QR code, and it will lead you to my Gankno tip site. Yeah, because for some people who are unaware, yes, PayPal has deactivated my account, and I have not done anything wrong. Yeah. And it's not only me, a lot of people are affected, and it's getting annoying. And the worst part is everything's AI, so I don't know who's behind PayPal. But all I can say is I don't know what to say. My only advice is you guys have to be really vigilant for those who have PayPal accounts, because if they can do this just out of a whim, then imagine the others who didn't even know. So yeah, once again, thank you everyone for coming to my stream. Thank you so much, and hope you all have a great rest of the morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Bye everyone, and take care. And I forgot I have a BGM on, but then I want you guys to hear my actual voice and other things. Dang, I forgot the BGM that was on, but it's fine. It's fine. Anyway, thank you everyone, and take care of yourselves. Bye. Ignore whatever fell. So, other surprise I will there's big surprises on Saturday. So do look forward to what I'm about to do.